Hell.
Especially when you get the storm
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray.
BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poltam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch.
Squad, we're rolling up.
Pokhara bound personnel, this is your final call at board.
all the way across the grid, left to right side is open. Any available space on board?
Yes. I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is
Make
away.
sure you use the number handrail.
Good. Yes. Check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, reporting. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Affirmative. Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor. Are you sure? Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company! First order TIE fighters! Reroute! Reroute! Got two Blue 5 here! Clear the path so transport can make a jump!
We lost Red 2, more incoming! Blue 5 taking evasive action!
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers.
Get over there!
We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make this a fair fight! Don't worry, I'm coming back for you! Stay strong!
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little twig, get there!
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Now under the command of the first. All gears disembark immediately and proceed down the corridor on your right for interrogations. Now get out.
I'm a double agent.
She said, how many?
Got us in trouble.
She said, how many? We said 4. She said, well, where's the other one?
Interesting.
I keep all my cards to myself now.
Very interesting.
I have another cell opening. It's off your floor on this side. How many? 2. How many? 3. Central line, single file. Central line, single file. How many? 4. 4. Follow them. 4. Follow them.
Oh, shit.
Any bags that we have on your backs, your chest, or your waist. If you are unsure about it. If it looks like a bag, I just want to so it comes off now. How many? 2. How many? 2, you're going to go to orange. How many? 4, you're going to go to silver. How many? What about the 4? You're going to go to red. They're going to share with you. Red, scoot up. 4 people go to a color. Scoot up. There you go. That's 5. I will have your attention over here. Look down. You should still be standing, not leaning, over the color codes I just assigned. Whether it's blue, red, silver, or orange. It is only one of these colors, so do not forget yours. You will be using the same one for the rest of your interrogation. In the meantime, if you have any kind of cargo, whether that be a bag on your back,
over your shoulder or around your waist. Remove it now and hold it in your hands instead. You'll find you no longer need these. Once you move your bags, double check the top of your head and remove loose items. Hats, goggles, satellite dishes. If they're not attached to you in some way, remove them and store them for later. These two simple directions are designed to keep the interrogation moving smoothly, but it does mean it only works if they stay this way and do not go back up. Now move along. Right before the right, silver on the left. Yep, all colors can walk at the same time. There you go.
Silver's over here.
Yes, we only turn.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll need it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Silver.
Where we go? Silver in the front, oranges in the back.
You're still here? Cole's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find a way. Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detention connected. There they are! Fire! These escape pods just follow us. Take the list down. Hurry! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the mental cannons!
shots came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his coffee.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.